Hi, I'm Aviva.
Hi, I'm Helena.
We are presenting our Post 126 final project, SPIA Fall.
SPIA Fall is a Princeton version of the game SPIA Fall, and this version is built for 6 players on a single device.
The game works by assigning the players random identities, including one player who is assigned spy. The assigned spy has to figure out the location of the other players before being voted as the spy. Created using Java Swing, a graphical user interface beautifully displays the game.
Our first feature is shuffling locations and randomly picking identities for players. This feature reads 3 files from in, stores the data in parallel arrays, and then randomly selects a location.
And gets all possible identities based on locations index. After shuffling the identities and making sure that the spy is one of them, we assign the order when creating the text for each J label to be displayed on that specific J frame for each player. When clicking these buttons, each will see their profile and then pass the computer on to the next person. Then start the game by clicking play.
In this frame, we see all the locations in our second feature, a randomly suggested questions mechanism with round play. Questions are read from in, stored in an array, shuffled, and then displayed. After every player has answered the question, there is a J button called Next Question right below the suggested question that after click will display the next question.
At any point during the game, the spy can identify themselves and guess the location. If they guess correctly, they win. Also, if the majority of players decide to go to voting, the button clicked to vote leads us to our feature 3.
Each player will click on the player labeled as the spy, and the interface has one button to vote for each player. Using J labels, it updates the number of votes on each player after the corresponding button has been clicked.
After every vote, it validates to see if 6 votes have already been cast. If so, it identifies the most voted player or detects a tie, opening the corresponding frame. Still following the J frames, the spy can guess the location and then click to reveal.